Hi, my name's Pippa Adams. I'm the Chief Executive at Prodo Digital and co-author of Shift, How to Make Channel Shift Happen in Housing. I guess I am a little bit biased, but I'm really proud of the book that we've produced at Prodo because we worked with over 200 different housing associations to look at what makes a really good programme of transformation and what makes one that's much more challenging. So if you're thinking about starting a programme or you really fancy having a good read of a book that's about your sector and reading about some of the challenges that your colleagues and peers have gone through, then maybe a little free copy of Shift might be the one for you. We've broken it down into really bite-sized chunks. We look at the 4 key areas of a programme. For first of all, mindset. What's the culture of your organisation like? Is it right and ready to go into a programme? Through to planning, delivery, and the all-important after measurement and improvement. So did you achieve what you wanted to achieve? And what's the roadmap? Because it's an ever continuing process that you should be looking to go through. So we're giving them away for free. Please feel free to fill out the form below and let us know what you think on social. Thanks.